I'm Jessica Rakotonarivo. I'm 22 years old and I'm one of the students who studies law at the University of Rakotonarivo. I make this video to share with you a little bit about my academic life and also to thank all of the members of GrüneKiste. Actually, I'm in my fourth year now and I'm specialized in applied private law. And I'm about to prepare myself to sit for entrance examination at the national school that trains magistrates for their career. It is my biggest purpose, and I'm aware that it won't be easy to attain this goal. However, I'm diligent and I'm ready to do my best to achieve this aim, because I want to enforce justice and equity in Madagascar. Apart from that, I have finished my English course at CNELA and I received my advanced certificate in English. I also want to thank you. Thank you so much for supporting me. It won't be possible without your support and your help. GrüneKiste has contributed to my personal growth, and I can't help mentioning what Assemblée Nanda has done during this process of my evolution. He was a big support and has really played the role of a kindly elder brother, so thank you so much. I hope that you all will always be there, and I promise that you can always rely on me.